Looking for a compact yet powerful hammer drill that can handle both everyday tasks and tough concrete applications? Let's dive into the DEWALT DCD798B and see if it fits the bill. The DEWALT immediately impresses with its compact design, measuring just 6.93 inches in length. This streamlined profile allows for effortless maneuverability in tight spaces, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Weighing in at just 2.49 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and durability, ensuring comfort during prolonged use without compromising on build quality. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, enhancing user control and reducing fatigue during extended tasks. Equipped with a 20V max brushless motor, the DCD798B delivers up to 404 unit watts of power, ensuring efficient performance across a range of applications. The variable speed settings ranging from 0 to 450 RPM in low mode and 0 to 1650 RPM in high mode offer precise control for both delicate and demanding tasks. In hammer mode, it achieves up to 28,050 beats per minute, making it suitable for drilling into concrete and masonry. The half-inch ratcheting chunk ensures high bit retention, preventing slippage during operation. One of the standout features is the integrated LED work light, which illuminates the workspace, enhancing visibility in low light conditions. This is particularly beneficial when working in confined or dimly lit areas. Additionally, the 15 clutch settings provide versatility, allowing users to adjust torque precisely according to the task at hand, whether it's driving screws into softwood or drilling into tougher materials. However, it's important to note that the 798B is solid as a tool-only option, meaning the battery and charger are not included. This could be a drawback for those who don't already own compatible DEWALT 20V Max batteries, as it requires an additional investment. Additionally, while the compact size is advantageous for accessibility, it may result in slightly reduced power compared to larger models designed for heavy-duty applications. In terms of value for money, the 798 is competitively priced within its category. Its combination of compact design, powerful performance, and versatile features makes it a cost-effective choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. For the latest pricing and bundle options, check out the product links in the description for the best deals. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: battery and charger not included. May have reduced power compared to larger models. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Powerful brushless motor. Versatile speed and clutch settings. Integrated LED work light. In my experience, the DEWALT offers a compelling mix of portability and performance, making it a solid choice for a variety of drilling tasks. Don't forget to check the product links in the description for the latest offers, and if you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on the latest tools.